Hi, my name is Juan Carlos Mendez. It's for stage 4 complete in negotiation. The course 212,032,177. Of course, valoration in negotiation. The cost is market method used to calculate wage. The lump sum in the FINA follows in the lump sum royalties. The lump sum is defined as follows in the license pays. The lease is an intermediate price for the development of the technology. The license fee is 20% of the market value of the software. Payment rules. The company payments cover the seller's obligations, so if the seller does not fulfill its obligation or does not pay the license fee to the manufacturer, this does not exempt the entrepreneur from his obligation arising from the claims. Um, Thank you very much. Is the part the video. Thanks. Bye.